Today I'm going to show you how to go live on Twitter. Let's dive right in. First, let's open the Twitter app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, to start your live stream, tap on the compose button, which looks like a quill or a plus sign at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now we need to compose the live video option. In the tweet composer, look for the camera icon or the live button. Tap on the camera icon to start your live video setup. You can add a description for your live video to let viewers know what it's about. You can also choose to enable or disable comments. As you can see, I don't have the camera icon as I don't have any followers. So if you've got followers, you'll get the live stream option. After that, tap on the go live button. You will see a countdown before your stream starts. Once it's live, you can interact with viewers in real time. When you're finished with your stream, you can tap on the end button. You can choose to share the replay on your timeline if you want, and that's it. You've successfully gone live on Twitter.